meditation developed greater excellence in all walks of life. What I found is that meditation is backed with so much science. Meditation is to rest our mind. We are body, we are mind, and we are energy. According to quantum physics, everything out there is emptiness and energy. Meditation helps to experience this energy, helps to heal the body, helps to expand the mind.
I'm into a field which is insurance industry, wherein you don't get results every day, and it's a very long drawn process, and which creates a lot of stress. By doing meditation, the stress level became zero.
So all my sugar levels, BP levels got reduced. It is a miracle, because when I went to my doctor a couple of weeks before with my blood routines, she got surprised because I used to take some medication for sugars. Now there is no sugar.
I used to carry a lot of my conditions, like my migraine, the bronchitis, where I was struggling to breathe. I used to carry inhalers all the time. End of those 40 days, all of that was gone. I realized there's not even a single episode.
Very important things that meditation has done to me is that the way it has changed my thought framework, if I may say that. On the personal as well as the professional front, it has broken a lot of limiting beliefs that I had about what we could do as an organization and what I can do as an individual.